Doggy bin.
What about over here? How many little bird houses are there?
1, 2, 3.
Nice. How many
Two,
forks
three.
are there? Nice.
1, 2, 3. 3.
Oh. Hi. Yep. Okay, now moving on to pig. What letter is that?
U.
Yeah. And is that upper or lower? Yeah, it's confusing. And then the next one, the mouse. What's that?
O.
Look at this. Some of you may recognize. Comfrey. There's echinacea back there. St. John's wort. That's a tricky one to take internally. I don't mess around with that. Some marjoram, lemon balm. Yep. Don't mind if I do. Yeah. Smells absolutely delicious. What do you think, Mouse? Rosemary. Yeah. Mint. Oh. This is my kind of place. Sage. Lavender. Hops. Hops are great. For many different reasons, but hops are awesome. Look at that. Cool. Oh yeah, my kind of place. There's hyssop, hyssop. A lot of people say it's different ways. Oh, and some bee balm. Right in there is the hyssop. Some more sage. Oh, I found a Delilah. Some lemon thyme. Right? Onion chives. Oh, yes. Alrighty, I'm going to give you a little local farm stand haul, I don't know, maybe 2 days of us picking some things up. So we did hit up a free sample sale. So the Amish were giving away some of their vegetables and produce and things like that. So we have pepper, we have a tomato, a cucumber, and we have Macintosh apples. And then we also did get our raw milk. This is the raw A2 milk. We just got a half gallon just because we're new to this and we love it. So we will go in. It's an affordable price. It's not too far. It's a little off the beaten path, but we absolutely love the drive. And you just bring back your glass and then there you go. So we have that. I have a half-eaten chocolate whoopie pie. No, it did not come like this, but it is included in the haul. We'll probably get a whoopie pie a week because we love it. I love the peanut butter ones, though. I told you I kind of stumbled upon a sample sale at one of my favorite natural markets, so I'm going to go through. We got quite a few things, and maybe this will inspire you to go check it out. It was labeled as an open house, so maybe one of your natural markets, open markets, will have something like that. So I'll try and point out the free things versus what we bought, but there was quite a few free things. So we have the Justin's dark chocolate peanut butter cups. Each kid had a bag, so if you see doubles of things, I promise we didn't take advantage, but we were instructed to grab one for each bag. We did buy the Yum Earth organic pops. They were 50% off, so they were like $4 or something like that, which is great, and there's no strange things in the lollipops, so happy to find those. We got some veggie straws, some Siete, just regular chips, and then yeah, the grain-free cinnamon chips. Honestly, will probably be the last time that we buy from Siete unless something is on sale, but I don't know. I'm not really a fan of who bought them, and I don't know. I feel like for the family, that's great for them, but I just don't think they're going to continue the ingredients, but that's just me. I don't know. You'll have to look into it. We have the oatmeal almonds herbal soap aromatherapy soap bar. We have some Choice Organics English breakfast tea. If I'm buying tea bags in store, or coffee for that matter, I really do try and get organic, but it's few and far between that you'll find something like that. It doesn't cost you a ton of money. We have Spelt Snickerdoodles, and the kids really love Snickerdoodle cookies, so I was happy to find it with some Spelt flour. We have some Chia Smash Squeezable Superfood Jams. This will be nice to have in the car. We have Purely Peppermint Tea. I don't know if the kids will like that, but they said that they would, so we shall see. We have the Go Macro Minis Oatmeal Chocolate Chip. We found some of the Derma E Pure Biome Balancing Serum. Okay, yeah, so there's niacinamide in here. I have to double check if that's okay for breastfeeding. You never know. You never know. And then the microdermabrasion scrub, citrus oil, and Dead Sea salt. I have 2 of those. We have the Cardio Care Coffee with Superfoods, the Bare Organic, so we'll see about that. The Alm Brain Fuel Mushroom Gummies. Maybe someone will like them. We did get some bug repellent. We're going to go to camp, and we're going to take you there tonight, but it's pretty buggy down by the river, so we need something. We have some homemade corn salsa. This is from the market, and I was chatting with her about her ways that she does this, but this, I mean, it was delicious. She gets the corn from her daughter, and they live next to each other, and it's just really amazing, and this is super delicious. They have a spicy version as well. We were out and about, and we got some chow chow as well, Pennsylvania chow chow, just like pickled veggies if you're unfamiliar. My friend owns a kombucha company, and I ran into them, and they gave me this raspberry Concord, so I was very happy to find that. I will try my best to tag everybody, but if you're not local, it's really tricky, I guess, to get some of these items. I know she ships out, so you'll have to see it listed. It's called Counterpart Kombucha. Then I have another friend that has a kombucha company too, and I've mentioned her before. We have Davis Grown Fresh Apple Cider, and that is who makes our rolls and our sourdough bread over here, and this is just the artisan loaf, but I talked to her. She uses unenriched, unbleached, all the good stuff flour, so I was happy to find that. We also have some goods from my gluten-free friend. She made cranberry bliss bars. I think Starbucks makes them, she says, but obviously these are better. We do have some dark chocolate walnut cookies from her too. We got honey from the Honey Sticks guy, and he has the bee pollen, if you remember from last week. We have a pen that came from the free. We have Curamed Superior Absorption. I would assume this is kind of like a turmeric supplement. That's just me. Let's see what it says. Groundbreaking studies. Healthy inflammation. Yeah, okay, so probably like a turmeric supplement there. And then they were giving the Boiron things away for free. So obviously I got the Sleep Calm, I got the teething relief for Mills, and then this is the flu symptoms pack, and I really like homeopathic. Sometimes, you know, homeopathics and herbalists, they just don't really mix, but I use both, and you know, that's my opinion on that. I have the Laird Superfood. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. They're actually from Boulder, Colorado, so I didn't know that, but they have a coffee and creamer and adaptogens instant latte, so that would be nice to have in like a bug out bag. And then we have some seaweed. This is also a really good source. It's organic and it has avocado oil, so I love that. Protein, not the best, obviously. Maybe some iodine in here. And the reason I went to that store was to get shampoo and conditioner. I was pleasantly surprised that the Mill Creek Botanicals, I think this is from Las Vegas, actually. Let me double check. Yeah. Manufactured and distributed, in Las Vegas, but I really like the scent on this when it comes to natural shampoos and conditioners. It's tricky, really tricky to see what ingredients are out there, but I really do like this. It does have some alcohol and the polysorbate 60, but sometimes when you're looking into these shampoos and conditioners, it's necessary for manufacturing, but then if you look into their website, the amounts used really don't, I don't know. I feel like Mill Creek is good, and it works for my hair, and it's super super dry and knotty here in Pennsylvania. I totally forgot about that. It takes me forever to brush through my hair. But moving on, we got some Borage Therapy dry skin lotion, the fragrance free. It's pretty pricey for the larger one, so I'm happy that they were giving these out. We did get some potatoes and sweet potatoes, and I think that's it. Now that I'm looking around, let me show you. Let me see. Oh, I did get some of my Happy Juice in. People ask me if I'm still drinking it. Yeah, I drink it every day, if not twice a day. It's amazing. I talk about Happy Juice all the time. I get the price point is a little tricky, but when it comes to ingredients, this is awesome. So this is my probiotics, and it's also my adaptogens. So I have found such just amazing results in Amari, and I'm an affiliate for the company. You can be like a team builder and do the network marketing route, but I'm just an affiliate. So if you buy from me, you are supporting the channel and my family in a way, but of course, you know, you don't have to do that. So a lot of people ask me about shelf-stable adaptogens and shelf-stable probiotics, and this is all of it in one. And you don't have to get all of this, but this combined makes Happy Juice, and then I add the natural energy. This is dragon fruit, and I really enjoy that. I get the grape. This is the nootropic. That's such a hard word for me to say. And then this is the mentobiotic. So this is really what happens or what heals your gut the most. And then you always get free stuff. So I got a bunch of free stuff with my points. I get the crisp apple electro. So the only thing I'm not a huge fan of is the cane sugar in here. It is organic, but I just don't need a sugar when it comes to most of my drinks. And then I did get the GBX Fit. It can be for weight loss, but I just need a little inflammation out of my face. I feel like I'm still just trying my best to get back to the Pennsylvania atmosphere, I guess. I don't know. It's very different than Colorado, obviously. And then last but not least, New Amsterdam 100 proof vodka. I like this because it's in the glass. It's not organic, but I make most of my tinctures with this. I did have some more passion flower to use up, so I put that in there. And then I do have some butterfly pea flower. You saw that a while ago in Colorado, but I have some dried lemon balm that I'd like to put into this little guy. Amazing, amazing, amazing herb. I can't speak more highly about it. It's great for anxiety, great for a new mama, great for a postpartum mama, honestly great for anybody in this day and age. It's just been super tricky with the climate that we're in.